So when you think of the modern syringe, what name comes to your mind? Well, one of them should be a man by the name of Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician, physicist, natural philosopher, and theologian, by the way. He did some of this work around 1650 when Isaac Newton was a young boy in England at the age of 8. Pascal was already coming to the end of his life. Blaise Pascal died at the age of 39, but he changed the world so that today when you go to pump gas or put, not gas, but put air in your tires, what's the unit of pressure? Pascal. Pascal at the age of 18 came up with a calculating machine that helped his father not have to stay up all night doing calculations. We're going to do an animated version of Pascal's story. Stay tuned for that on this channel. Subscribe for more videos. My math courses, by the way, are now 50% off for the summer. So feel free to reach out too if you're interested. But Blaise Pascal changed the world. He gave us Pascal's triangle we talk about. He gave us the unit of pressure. He went up to the highest mountain in France to calculate those details. Pascal was fascinating. And so what do we make of his life? One of the things I want to talk about with regards to Pascal is the idea of understanding the history and philosophy of science will better help you be a scientist that makes sense. Like, it will help you be a better scientist. How so? Well, when you understand that Pascal did his work in the 1600s, and there's a man by the name of Robert Boyle who gave us Boyle's Law, which Boyle's Law says that the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. The pressure, right? I'm adding pressure here. And by adding pressure, the volume in the syringe that I was occupying was reducing, right? So pressure and volume are inversely proportional. Sir Robert Boyle, by the way, also had a faith background. But moving on to another part of Boyle's Law. So Boyle's Law came, and then there was Charles' Law. These are explained in chemistry classes. But here's what's fascinating. The chemistry history was affected when you look at the 1790s. One of the main people in the history of chemistry was a man by the name of Antoine Lavoisier. Lavoisier unfortunately died during the French Revolution. Notice that understanding that history shows you why there might be a little bit of a delay in the advancement in the history of chemistry versus the history of physics. Because with physics, we have Newton doing his work, we have Euler coming along, and a lot of physics and math kind of went together. So physics just kept going along, but chemistry in the 1790s got a delay because one of its main people who gave us the ways to name compounds was killed during the French Revolution, right? Because they thought he was tricky, he was a lawyer, he was rich. There was some concerns. The French Revolution is a different topic. By the way, I'm teaching the history of math and Western civilization together. And so if you want to learn that along with me, reach out to amosthemathguy@gmail.com. Let's teach history and philosophy and math and humanities and science. Let's combine it together the way they did back in the 16 and 1700s. And then maybe we'll see another Isaac Newton rise to the top again, right? Well, reach out if you have any questions. Have a blessed day.